Welcome to CAD/CAM Legend. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you model this smooth file inside the SOLIDWORks, and we will look at some basic features like extruded boss base, swept cut, revolve, and swept boss base. So now let's start the part. Come to File, New, click on Part and say OK. Change the background plain white. From here you can change the background. Click on Extruded Boss Base. Choose a plane. Draw center rectangle. Assign the dimension 100 and 12. And now I will draw center rectangle, a center line. Assign the dimension 25. Draw 3-point arc. Smart dimension. Keep the radius 100. This one also 100. Now come to trim entities and trim the unwanted portions. Hit the check mark and come to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Keep the extrusion 3 mm. Make sure you have to keep it mid plane. Okay. Now we want to create the cutouts for removing our materials from other material. Click on this face, sketch, and click on line. Draw a line like this. Smart dimension. From here till here, this is 2. Okay. Okay. Exact sketch. Now we need to create a new plane. Reference geometry, plane. Select this line first and now this point. Now it is fully defined. Okay. Now I will choose this plane. Sketch on it. Let me zoom it right now. Come to polygon. Keep the sides 3 and draw a polygon like this. Okay. Now make sure this line is horizontal. Assign the dimension. Keep this distance 0.5. Okay. Let me hide this plane. Now we need to create a cutout. For that I will come to Swept Cut and Profile. I will choose this profile, and path I will choose this line. See? Okay. And now I want to mirror this feature. I want to make a pattern. Come to Pattern, Linear Pattern. Now in direction 1 I will choose this line. This is my direction 1. And come here, Features and Faces. I will select the features. And let me decrease the distance. $50, or you can keep it 48, 1, and let me choose the number of entities 90. Okay, it will take a while. Wait for a few seconds. Now it's perfect. Now the same cutouts I need on the other side as well. For that, I will come to mirror, and mirror face plane, I will choose my front plane, and here you have to choose this cutout also. Okay, it will take a while. Now it's perfect. See, let me assign some color. Brush tungsten. See, now it's ready to use. Let me do one thing more. Choose top plane, sketch on it, and let me draw a line like this. So that we have some specific portion for the handle. Exact sketch. And now we'll come to revolve boss base. Axis of revolution, you have to select this one. See, okay, now our part is ready. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember one thing, keep the view perspective. See, it's look better. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the notification bell icon so that you do not miss any of the video that I'm going to upload for you people. Thanks for watching.